while you have the governor, Thawarchand Gehlot of Karnataka, asking Siddaramaiah to respond to the allegations on Muda, Siddaramaiah meets with the cabinet and has decided to urge the governor to withdraw that notice issued to the chief minister. The governor does not, if the governor doesn't agree, then the government will take legal route. In fact, there is speculation that the cabinet in Karnataka might just pass a resolution against the governor, Thawarchand Gehlot, on the notice that he sent to Siddaramaiah, the chief minister. So an appeal will go first, and if the appeal is not adhered to or is not welcomed, then the cabinet decides to take the legal route. Anaga Keshav tracking that development for us. Anaga, tell us more, as Siddaramaiah is right now meeting with the cabinet. They're in a huddle to decide whether or not to pass a resolution against the governor itself that might eventually demotivate him from proceeding on the prosecution, as Muda controversy has now surfaced, accusing the chief minister of corruption. So tell us more what the Siddaramaiah government intends to do.
Well, Nabila, this was a cabinet meeting from which Siddaramaiah was not present, because according to the law, if the resolution is pertaining to the chief minister or the one who is in place of an accused, then that person, according to the law, is not supposed to be a part of the cabinet discussion. So hence, chief minister was kept out of it. Instead, it was the deputy chief minister, D.K. Shivakumar, who filled his shoes. He was the one who headed the cabinet meeting, and we are being told by our sources that a resolution was passed to send an appeal or an urge to the governor to withdraw the notice that he had served to chief minister. In fact, it was a notice that was directly addressed to Siddaramaiah. Now, first an appeal will be sent requesting the governor to withdraw that notice in connection with the Muda scam. But if the governor still doesn't budge, if he refuses to take back his notice, then the Karnataka government is very likely to take the legal route, is what we are learning from our sources. In fact, our sources also tell us that the governor is likely to be meeting the Speaker Om Birla as well to take more details about this matter as to what exactly his powers hold. But as of now, the information that we have is that the government has unanimously passed a resolution to first request the governor to take back the notice served, and if he doesn't agree, then the government will take the legal course. Certainly a very embarrassing situation for the Karnataka government, given the fact that it's the chief minister himself who's directly embroiled in a controversy. We need to wait and watch how the chief minister is going to react to this.
Thanks, We're going to come back to you as and when. We know that the Muda controversy has really escalated, putting the Siddaramaiah government and himself and his family members in a spot.